So I have boiled some chickpeas and peas, green peas. We're gonna put some carrot inside it, pumpkin, potatoes. It's all gonna go inside it. Woohoo! Oh my god, spider. You gotta go. You gotta go. I'm going to leave this spider in the garden. I hope she comes. Cinnamon stick, bay leaf, salt, water, coconut. Add some coconut to the blender and little bit of green chili, not this whole, just a little bit. Roasting some cumin seeds, cucumber. I removed the seeds from the cucumber and now I'm gonna add it to the gravy ingredients, which are coconut, cumin and little bit of green chili and also cucumber. So our vegetables are cooked and the curry ingredient, I'm gonna put it inside it and let it cook from the heat in the vegetables, not on the directly from the heat. Let's do a quick taste test. It's hot, like me. Tell me, what do you think is hotter, me or this vegetable that I made? I just want to listen to that I'm hot, so say it. Wow. I'm like doing heads down to God for inspiring me to make this. Damn, wow. Love it. My dog and I are gonna enjoy this today evening. So excited to eat this yummy meal that God inspired me to